So a couple nights, I tried the Knob Creek 18. About fell out of my seat. Couldn't stop raving about it. Justly so. It's really good. So I planned on doing the 12 tonight. Still Kentucky straight bourbon, same line. But I was at Shores again. Shores Fine Wine and Spirits. Saw the 9 again. Kentucky straight bourbon, same line. I was like, let's compare both of these. So that's what we're going to do. All right, I've already unwrapped the little piece around it so I can get the pop a little bit easier. All right, there's the 12. And this is, what's the proof on this one again? Oh, here it is. Yeah, 100 proof. That's what I thought. Okay. Oh, they got the right water for this distillery. All right. Again, Knob Creek 9, also 100. With the distinctive pop. Oh yeah. Yeah, they got the right water for this stuff. All right. So let's first take a look at the 12 here. See what I think here. It's not knocking me off my feet like the 18 did. Still extremely good, though. Still extremely good. All right. Go ahead. Clean the palate a little bit. I like the 9 a little bit more than the 12. I really do. Kind of looks a little oily, but got that distinctive smell, which I absolutely love. So I don't care if you're looking at the 18, the 12, or the 9, and this is not a Knob Creek commercial. They have not endorsed me. Although, if you want to, feel free to do so. Reach out to me and we'll work something out. But anyhow, all three good. I recommend them all. That's a hell yes. That's a definite yes. And that is a most definite yes. So yeah, they are all spectacular. You cannot go wrong with Knob Creek with the Kentucky straight. So anyhow, that's my thoughts.